So let's just get into some basics, right? Like, what is ChatGPT? So it's important that we understand the vocabulary. So ChatGPT is a web-based artificial intelligence, but I will say they did launch their app. It is available for Apple, and I do want to point that out, and I will show an example of that later. And by and it's by OpenAI, and Joe's going to put the link to OpenAI in the chat. And that basically it's generating human-like, that's an important word, text responses to questions and word prompts. And you'll see that this is why this is referred to as generative, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. You basically type a question or a request, and the program will give you a response, incomplete, and it will be well-crafted sentences. So ChatGPT should be used to do the following things: brainstorm ideas, answer questions, and I put a little asterisk with that one for a bit, right? Because we do need to understand what that means. Support some creative writing, create documentation, cut down on redundancy, write or debug code, language translation, and then review content and find inconsistencies. And I'm going to show a couple of examples of this. This was actually something we started training our junior account managers to understand, because they can use ChatGPT to review content and find things. For those of you who may have said, all right, Jennifer, you showed us all of this, but how to start? I do want to mention that literally I have screen grabs. So when you get these slides, you are just going to go to OpenAI and you can click on sign up, okay? And then when you create your account, it will just walk you through this really quickly. It's going to ask you to verify your email. And then when you verify your email address, it will just prompt you into telling a little about you. So these are for the people who just like need that step-by-step.